welcome back to Punjabi Mom Cooks. Today I'm going to show you a very nice, extremely new recipe. That is bottle gourd bharta. It's really tasty and you must try it. I've taken 1 kg of bottle gourd. I have washed and nicely cut, and I've also tasted it in case it's bitter, then you throw it. I'm going to use 1 glass of water to make it soft, and then just pressure cooker it and give it 1 whistle. Friends, while the whistle comes, I'm going to make the tadka. I've turned on the gas. I'm going to put 2 spoons of clarified butter. We are making bharta. This is really delicious. I've taken 5 red onions and just nicely washed and chopped inside. And you have to stir it really nicely. I have used about 8 fresh tomatoes, which I nicely cut and I blended it. I'm going to use some coriander leaves. These are fresh from my garden. And I'm going to use some masalas, which I'll tell you. We have to continuously stir it for about, you can say 10 minutes, and then don't go away from, while you keep stirring it, don't go away. Get this lovely golden color. My whistle also is going to come now, and then I'm going to turn off the gas. I'm going to talk about my spices. My whistle is coming to turn off the gas. I'm going to use 1 spoon of salt. Actually 2 spoons of salt, because I didn't put any salt in my bottle gourd. And I'm going to put 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of red chilli powder. I'm going to put a little bit of garam masala and dhania powder. They are mixed together, and that's it. And I'm going to put my tomato in so that the masala doesn't get burnt. And keep stirring it nicely. Have a look, friends. My masala is ready now. I'm going to put all the coriander leaves inside it and give it a mix. And I'm going to check on my bottle gourd, that is kaddu. This is a really delicious recipe. If your children don't eat kaddu, that is bottle gourd, you can give them this way. Yes, it's done. Have a look. And now with my blender or a masher, you can use anything, I'm just going to blend it. Just a little bit, and leave little pieces like this. That's all. Have a look. And now I'm going to put the mixture in my kadai. The aroma in my kitchen is simply amazing. You must try to inspire others to cook as well. Have a look. My son doesn't like kaddu, but when I make it in the bharta style, he eats it. He doesn't know what I have made. Have a look, friends. My bharta is made. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to place it. Look at that color. You must inspire others to cook. And if you like, please like and comment and share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you're going to try it. Thank you for watching.